To upload files via the product importer, start by navigating to the Data Import tab on the CMS. On the left-hand side of the page, upload your spreadsheet containing product stock codes and corresponding file names. The best file type to use is PDF. Please reach out to support to discuss alternative file types. As shown here, the spreadsheet includes columns for multiple files. 10 columns for files are available. If you require more files per product, please speak to support. The file name must correspond exactly with the data in your spreadsheet. Next, go to Step 6 to upload files and click Upload, then choose the files that you'd like to upload. All files must be in a single folder. Subfolders are not supported. You can select all files at once. Once the files finish uploading, click Done. To import the files into the CMS, go to Step 8, Import Data and run the import. Once the upload is complete, to confirm the files were added, close the dialog and navigate to the relevant product in the catalog. You'll see the files have populated under the File tab. You can then go to the website and view the files on the product page under the product description. This accordion tab will be closed as default. If you would like it to be visible when the page opens, please speak to support. When you click on the file, it will open the content in another tab, or download automatically depending on the file type.